Hello, hello, blissful beings. Happy spring. It's spring equinox. Yes. All right, so I'm in Magnolia in Seattle, this beautiful place where I walk pretty much every day, especially now, right? So anyway, this is your little tip for today. This is a kriya, a little yoga movement that will keep your immune system pumped, your lymph system pumped, especially under your armpits. And it's like your lymph nodes are like the sewage system, and you need to like jump and pump your arms when you're walking. And so I'm going to give you this little exercise to do that will help that. And the other thing that's going to happen is because your arms are going to be heading up over your head, it's going to open up. Hi, everybody. Hi, Nancy. Hi, Cheryl. It's going to open up the lower lobes of your lungs even more. So that way, if you feel like you have a little cough and or you're afraid to breathe because there's so much that we don't know in the world and all those things that can happen. Hi, Jean. Hey, Jean in New York. I'm thinking of you. So anyway, here it goes. This should be interesting. I'm going to try to do it with my wires here with my headset. So you're going to lace your fingers together. Hi, Alicia. Alicia's going to do this with me. I just know it. All right, and then what you're going to do is you're going to inhale when you take your arms overhead and only go as far back as you can. But I would say, challenge yourself enough to make this worthwhile, right? So extend also out through your elbows if you can do that. And when you exhale, you're just going to bring your arms down. So it's going to go like this. You're going to inhale up. Hi, Max. And you're going to exhale down. And you can do this with whatever rhythm you want. But if you can, try to make the breath pretty forceful, right? So, now I'm breathing in through my nose and out through my mouth, but you can do it both ways if you want. So if you want to inhale, nostril breath on both the inhale and the exhale, that's fine. And if you can do this for a minute, that would be great. 3 minutes is the best. But again, you kind of have to pay attention to how your body feels. But the more that you do it, it kind of lubricates the joints. And then you feel like you can do a little bit more. Maybe again, you can extend your arms up a little bit more. And again, pay attention to not only how your body is, but see again how you're breathing. Breathe into those lower lobes of the lungs. And then if you want to put some mindfulness with it, you can be in gratitude that you have the lungs and you have the breath and that you are healthy and that you're pumping the lymph system with the armpits, which is really important. And you can maybe sweat a little bit so that the skin, the largest organ of your body, can release those toxins, right? So it's one thing to pump the lymph system, but then you have to have a way to eliminate those toxins, which is why we have the 5 channels of elimination, which I'll tell you more about another time. So let's do 5 more. Inhale, exhale. Maybe smile. One more. Now just take a moment and notice. Whenever you do this, even if you can't do this live right now, just notice. Notice your heart beating. Notice how maybe deeper your breath is. Notice maybe there's a little bit more energy in your body. Maybe feel a little bit more alive. Maybe some of your anxiety has been reduced. Isn't it cool how you have so much power and ability to take care of your body, to shift your mood a little bit, to change the chemistry, the biochemistry? You have so much going for you right now. And we are being given a gift to strengthen these practices of self-care. And that little teeny exercise did so much for you. So if you want to share what you noticed or how it helped you, I would love that. Hi, Robert. Hi, Deanne. This is so fun. Thank you guys for giving me your hearts and your love and your appreciation. I appreciate you. Thank you for tuning in. Feel free to share this, right? Let's get this out there. And I love you, and I will continue to send you as many blessings as I can. I'll just keep tuning in whenever I have the opportunity to do so, because I want you to be healthy, I want you to be happy, and I want you to continue to follow your bliss. Much love and lots of bliss.